This is the Ford Fusion 2013-2020. And if you try to start your car and you just hear the click, you don't hear the engine cranking, you hear the click and nothing happens, the car won't start. There are two reasons for this. The first reason is that the battery may be absolutely dead. So the battery is dead and it can't crank the engine, and that's why you hear the click and the starter doesn't get the proper power to crank the engine properly and to start it. This is the first thing. And the second thing is the starter motor that may be stuck. It may be stuck and need replacement. Either the starter motor or the starter solenoid may need replacement, and this is not a DIY thing. You can take your car or maybe tow your car to the dealership or to some independent repair shop, and they will check it. But before you do that, check the battery with the load tester or charge the battery with an external charger, because in most cases you will have the low battery, and when you charge it, jump start it, or maybe you'll replace it with the new one, you may solve this problem without going to the dealership and paying money for this.